What's wrong? Is the kitty in the basket?
Yeah.
Are you pissed off? What's wrong? Her's pissing you off? Tell us. Say, that's my mommy and daddy's basket. His eyes are green in this. Like.
Tell him.
Tell Papa. Are you pissed off? Tell her, get the fuck out. No, don't go near her.
Yeah.
She'll fucking scratch your eyes out.
Chazz.
Go tell Papa. Go see Papa. Papa wants you.
Chazz.
Papa wants you. Go see him. Go see Papa. He wants to tell you a secret. Go tell him.
Knock it off.
He said, fuck you.
Stop it. Stop it now.
Are you mad?
Enough.
You sound like a little girl.
Enough.
Are you mad?
Enough now.